What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna turn this old tiller into a cart. So right now, this thing does not run. Only if you put it on starter fluid. That's the only way it runs, and it's kind of old and crappy. All right, so first we're gonna try to get it running, and then after that, we'll try to weld a frame of some sort to put it in, and then I don't know how we're gonna do steering. We'll figure it out, but first we need to get it running. So problem right now is we are getting the fuel's disconnected because it is dumping a lot of fuel into the carb down in there, and it's coming out this little hole, and we don't know what to do. So we're gonna have to like tune the carburetor or something so it doesn't keep dumping the fuel, but we're kind of stupid, so we don't know what to do. So can somebody get your phone? We're trying to.
Carburetor or carb is a device that mixes
Bro.
air and fuel.
We're trying to look this up, and
The mixture is then drawn into the engine to allow for different types of air of issues, deteriorated or parched. In addition to too low, which can cause fuel, help you save money.
if we can figure this out. So now we're pretty sure that we just gotta rip the carb off, and it's probably something in the float. That's what we think so far. So back from our cinnamon roll break, we're gonna take this whole carb off somehow. So yeah. Alright boys, we got the carb off, so we're gonna see if we can fix the carb.
Yeah, let me get this.
Alright, we're working on the carb now.
I just let it sit.
Just dropping out the whole bottom.
That's where the float's gonna be,
Yeah,
right?
the carbonator. It should.
Well, the gasket's probably blue.
It's not good.
Yeah. Is that the float?
God,
It's all. Is that all clogged up?
looks like it.
That's probably why. We gotta clean that out. Look at all that crap. You need to clean that out.
It works. Like it seems.
Yeah. Surprised you didn't tear it off.
Hello, this is me from the future. If you're still here watching this, you know what you could do? You could hit 2 buttons. The like and subscribe button. Because those buttons help me. And I need help. Because I don't have subscribers and I need subscribers. So actually, just if you can help me out, watch the video through. That'd make my day. Thank you. Bye. Get the freaking.
Do you wanna?
It's back in there.
Back on. What else? Down there.
No. Hey, my help. Hey, it's wireless. Alright. We cleaned the carburetor. We're gonna put it back on. And it's probably not gonna work, but guess what? We tried. And if this doesn't work, we're gonna try to use the little 2-stroke one. But we don't have 2-stroke mix. Holy crap, there are a lot of hands in this frame. God damn.
Hold on. We're gonna need.
Alright boys, we putting some fuel in her. that go on the bottom of the float are clogged up, and they are. So we're gonna clean them now. Alright, we're gonna put this back in. We cleaned this too. What do you want? Let me see the inside. What do you expect? I bet you it's something else in that carb. Was that more?
That was more.
That was a lot more.
We're actually doing pretty. Oh my god.
Mean, it
Yo. Yo.
That's not carb cleaner.
That is.
Holy
Okay.
It's just gotta get through.
Yeah, it's gotta get, because it's a cool cut. Oh.
Wait.
Wait.
Yeah, it wants to go. It wants to
I know.
go.
Go to the throttle.
I know it's soon.
Liam, do the throttle.
When? Tell me when. Dude, it wants to go.
It said that's the low idle.
So do we need to probably turn that
Wait up, see if that.
turn that in.
Yeah, because it said 1 to 1.5.
Alright, I'm gonna go try to find a wagon and stuff for us to make the steering and stuff. Yo! It's a wagon. Should we use this? Let's get Miles. Miles!
Alright boys, so we got her running somehow. And now we just need to get her running at high RPM. And then we're gonna see if we can somehow put it in like a wagon frame. And then, cause there's a belt system on the back for this. When you pull that, it engages. So we can use that on.
Throttle, let's see the throttle.
That's not the throttle. We can use that to engage,
Yeah.
like on a wagon on the rear axle or something, cause we want to drift this thing.
It's not enough power.
So
And
we can put like plastic wheels on it and see if it will feel like that.
we're also gonna have to like somehow put the turning speed up. So we're gonna have to get like different those things.
We're gonna have to get bigger ones for it.
Yeah, so it goes faster. Cause it's torquey.
It's just
We-
not speed.
Yeah, it's not fast. It's not meant to be fast. It's a tiller. If y'all want to see a part 2 of this tiller to go-kart transformation, or mount the tiller to the frame, and please like, sub, and comment if you can. I'm trying to hit 500 subs pretty soon, so if you could, subscribe, that'd be pretty cool. I do want all the support I can get, so have a good day, and maybe watch my other stuff too.